Most people think squats only build strong legs. But what if I told you that doing daily squats can transform your entire body, boost your hormones, skyrocket your strength, and even sharpen your mind? Stick around because by the end of this video, we'll never look at squats at the same way again. Welcome back, warriors. Today we are diving deep into one of the most powerful exercises on the planet, the squats. This isn't just a leg workout. Squats are a full body transformation tool. Whether you want bigger muscle, more testosterone, better posture, or insane athletic power, squats have the answer. Full body activation. When you squat, you are not only hitting your quads, hamstring, and glutes. You are also engaging your core, lower back, hips, and even your shoulders. That's why squats are called the king of exercises. Every rep is a compound movement that trains multiple muscles at once, giving you maximum result in minimum time. Hormone boost. Here's the secret most people don't know. Heavy compound movement like squats trigger a natural surge of growth hormone and testosterone in your body. That means faster muscle growth, more fat burning, and higher energy levels. Daily squats literally change your body's symmetry to turn you into a stronger version of yourself. A strength beyond the gym. Think about it. You squat when you sit, when you stand, when you pick something up. Training this movement daily doesn't just make you gym strong, it makes your life strong. Suddenly climbing stairs feels easier, running feels smoother, and even a sports performance goes to the next level. Posture and core stability. Daily squats force you to keep your chest up, back straight, and core tight. Over time, this builds rock-solid posture and a bulletproof spine. If you spend hours sitting every day, squats are your best natural medicine. Mental benefits. And here's something most people underestimate. The mental toughness squats build. Dropping down and pushing back up with heavy weights is not just physical. It trains discipline, focus, and resilience. You become mentally unstoppable. How do you start? Now, does that mean you need to max out every single day? Absolutely not. Start small. Even 20 to 50 bodyweight squat daily will show result. As you grow stronger, add weights, increase intensity, and watch the transformation unfold. So next time you think squats are just for legs, remember, they're for entire body, your hormones, your strength, and even your mind. Do your squats daily, and I promise you won't just build legs, you will build an unshakable body and unbreakable character. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more fitness update.